The 4MAT learning cycle moves the learner through 4 distinct learning phases, each with a focus on a unique question. As trainers, in Engage, we answer, why do I want to learn this? In Share, the second part of the cycle, we answer, what exactly am I learning? In Practice, we answer, how will I use this in my life? And in the fourth part of the cycle, Perform, we answer, if I apply this learning in the real world, what new possibilities will this learning create? Each of these 4 parts of the learning cycle has 2 steps, and these 2 steps are based on the results of brain research on the right and left brain. So we know that the left brain operates out of analysis. It uses language, it abstracts and experiences, it has a sense for numbers, and it's sequential. The right brain operates out of being, without words, so it comprehends images and seeks patterns, it understands metaphors, and it's simultaneous. In each of the 4 parts of the learning cycle, we incorporate both a right and a left brain step in the training design. In Engage, the first part of the cycle, step 1, the learners learn from experiences and from who and where they are. So as a learner, they get personally involved in the learning, and this is a right brain dominant function. So as a trainer, think personal experiences, think stories, think reflective questions, think simulations. Step 2, the learners share their perceptions, experiences, and ideas with each other. As a trainer, think dialogue, think group reflection, think sharing. This is all left brain. In Share, which is the second part of the cycle, step 3, we understand the information conceptually, picturing how it all fits together, and this is right brain. As a trainer, think visuals, think visual organizers, mind maps, videos, visual metaphors. Step 4, we explore and we understand the key concepts and how they connect all the details of the content together. This is left. As a trainer, think lecture, think demonstrations, think about bringing in an expert presenter. In the third part of the cycle, Practice, step 5, we take the content learned in Share and we practice it with coaching. That's what the learner is doing, and that is left. As a trainer, think application, think practice sessions, role play, simulations. In step 6, we apply the learning to real-world problem solving, and that's right. As a trainer, think about scenarios, field assignments, think about setting up situations that are relevant to the learner's real-life issues. And in the fourth part of the cycle, Perform, step 7, we create an opportunity for the learner to create their own adaptation of the learning. Think about helping the learner to refine their own application. Think about the learner assessing their own progress, and this is left. In step 8, we create an opportunity for the learner to demonstrate their learning. Think about individuals sharing learning with the larger group. Think about the group sharing feedback. Think about how you might elicit a commitment from the learner to really implement the learning. This is right. When you move through the 8 steps of the 4MAT learning cycle, you'll effectively address key brain concepts, perceptions and connections, giving the learners the opportunity to explore what they know and how it all fits together. You'll address the concept called reflection and action, watching and doing, creating a balance between these 2 things. You'll address language and you'll address images, making sure that you use both in balance. You'll address big ideas and details. You'll share the big picture and you'll break it down to build understanding. And you'll address ladders and networks, both outlining the steps that the learner has to take and then creating relationships so they can see how it all fits together. And most importantly, you'll engage every learner every time.